Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of grammar chapter preposition. A preposition is a word that shows position of thing and pupil in relation to someone, something and or some place. Some common prepositions are in, on, off, across, off, through, before, behind, near, over, beside, inside, outside, with, to, into, under, except, will, till, until, between. Now this is the exercise of warm up. We have to fill the preposition. First box, you can see the object is under the box. Now beside the box, inside the box, up, on the box, in front of the box, behind the box and beside the box, next to the box. Now we have to explain the exercise also. Underline the preposition in this sentence. I walked to the shop. To is the preposition. The boy jumped off the wall. Of. I have never heard of him before. Before. Potatoes grow under the ground. Under. Hide behind the door till they leave. Behind and till. Why don't you wait outside the office? Outside. The bird built its nest between the branches of the tree. Between. Please collect all the books and place them on the table. On the table. On. They climbed over the fence and went into the garden. Into and over. The pilgrims went to the bank of Ganga for a dip in the holy river. In and the for and of. Now, kinds of the preposition. There are different kinds of preposition. First, we will discuss adjective preposition of place. Preposition that tell us about position or thing are called preposition of place. For example, I hung my coat behind the door. The cat is under the chair. I put the tablecloth over the table. The bell was hanging above the door. Now preposition is preposition of time. Preposition that tell us when something happened are called preposition of time. For example, the museum is open from 10 a.m. The mother gets up before dawn. He was sleeping during the meeting. He will be home by 5 o'clock. I have not seen her since March. Next preposition is preposition of movement. For example, preposition of movement are prepositions that are used to show movement to or from a place are called preposition of movement. First is, can you jump over the fence? This is the movement of jumping. They are walked along the river. This is also movement. He ran up the stairs. Ran up. This is also movement. The ball bent over his head. Ball is going on. The boys dived into the pool. Boys are dived into the pool. Now there is a difference between the adverb or preposition. When in those sentences which are followed by the noun, those words which are followed by the noun is called preposition, and those words don't have the noun, stand alone, is called adverb. is called preposition. Means, for example, Karan ran down the stairs. Stairs is the noun. Then this is we called preposition. This is we called preposition. And he sat down. We met outside. This is adverb. Now let us clear by giving the example. First sentence, come inside, is the adverb. Please stand outside is the adverb. An angle circled above is the adverb. I had not met him before. This is the adverb. I looked out. This is the adverb. I left my notebook behind. This is the adverb. The rain came down heavily. This is also adverb. The cat slept inside the box. This is preposition. We are going out at the 8 p.m. This is adverb. The cat was behind the curtain. This is the preposition. The children are playing outside. This is the adverb. The train went through the tunnel. This is the preposition. Leave the shoes outside the front door. This is also preposition. We reached half an hour before the show. This is the preposition. And there was a huge beanstalk outside Jack's bedroom windows. This is also preposition. So those words followed by the noun is called preposition, and those words are stand alone, just looking like a preposition, is called adverb. Thank you.